Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Blizzard account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Blizzard account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Blizzard. After searching for Blizzard, here you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says Blizzard Entertainments. And after tapping on Blizzard Entertainments, now you can tap on this account option which is on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on login. After tapping on login, now you have to enter your email address and then enter your password. So after entering your email address and password, just verify this. And after completing this verification, now you can tap on login. And after tapping on login, here you can see you have successfully logged into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Blizzard account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.